Okay, guys, welcome back to Dearborn, the gem next door, a series where I take you through one of Metro Detroit's most vibrant cities. I'm your host, Anya, and I'm here to take you through the places, the flavors, and the people that makes this city so exceptional. Join me. Our first stop is the Arab American National Museum. Opened in 2005, it is the first and only museum in the United States dedicated to Arab American history and culture. Inside, you'll find powerful stories, art, and artifacts that highlight the contributions of Arab Americans to our communities and to the country, and the role Dearborn plays in preserving it. To give us a deeper perspective, I spoke with Dean Nasreddin, a curatorial specialist here at the Arab American National Museum.
So this first floor level is what we call the courtyard, and it's very intentionally designed. This is where we tell the story of the overall contributions of the Arab world through things like religion, music, literature, the sciences, medicine, astrology. Like all of these cases hold stories and histories of the different practices and contributions that Arabs have made overall. It's a huge intention for us because Dearborn is we have the highest concentration of Arab Americans, but a majority of those Arab Americans are Lebanese, right? And so I think that folks can sometimes feel that we are a Lebanese museum because of where we are, but that's not true at all. That's not true at all. We're really doing our due diligence and ensuring that we're able to highlight the diversity of what it means to be an Arab here. It's not just Lebanese, it's not just the folks that you're seeing on the streets in Dearborn. It's much wider than that, right? And that's been really, really critical, I think, for the museum. Thinking about the kind of work we're doing both in our exhibits and programs is there's so many different ways to be an Arab. I think we've been, in the past 20 years and beyond, like really trying to move away from like being apologetic, right, of Arabs being in the country, or like that we are proud to be Arab, you know what I mean? And it's a moment for us to actually take a second and be like, no, I am proud to be Egyptian, I'm proud to be Lebanese, I'm proud to be Syrian or Tunisian or whatever it is, right? And there's no right way to be an Arab.
As part of our tour, Dean guided us through the museum's rooftop garden. The garden beds are paired with photos of Dearborn residents who donated seeds, creating a living space that connects heritage, memory, and community. Next, we're visiting the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation. Opened in 1929, it showcases some of the most important artifacts of American history, from the Rosa Parks bus and the Lincoln chair to classic cars and groundbreaking inventions. The museum tells a story of how creativity and innovation have shaped our lives, and it continues to inspire future generations. To learn more, I spoke with Cynthia Jones, director of the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation. We're back. We're here at the Henry Ford. I'm here with Cynthia, so go ahead and introduce yourself.
Howdy everyone, I'm Cynthia Jones. I'm director of Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation.
Super excited to be here, so thank you for being with us today. So if somebody's planning a trip to the Metro Detroit area, what makes the Henry Ford so special and unforgettable?
So if you're planning a trip to the Detroit area, you have to come to Dearborn. And you have to come to Dearborn because this is a home of community, of culture, and of history. And what is around you here at the Henry Ford is all of that. We're known as a history museum, but we're also known for having one of the single best collections of American history in the country. There's always something going on, and there's always something to discover.
Our journey also takes us to Greenfield Village, an open-air museum that brings American history to life. You can walk through historic homes, working farms, and even ride in a Model T. From everyday traditions to groundbreaking inventions, the village shows how people lived, worked, and created in America's past. From culture and history to innovation and industry, Dearborn tells a story that connects the past with the future. And I hope you'll be inspired to experience it for yourself. Thank you for watching Dearborn, the gem next door. See you next time.